human being be this? Eh? Where the strong go dey now? Where the strong go dey now? Eh? They come here. Only they come here well. Where go keep am now? What is it by here? Where the strong go dey now? Where the strong go dey now? I don't like this kind thing. Where the strong go dey now? Because me, see this 2 million. You no go pass me. This 2 million no go pass me. You don't like money, I like money, I want money. What thing? I want money. Eh? Leave this strong guy, free this strong. Me collect money, you don't want collect money, you want poverty. Me, I want money. Wait, I want money. Where this strong go dey? Where we go keep this strong now? Where we go keep this strong now? Which kind of human being be this? Eh? Now, guy, I must find this strong. Anyway, they really see the mouth of snake and they enter the cook like this strong. What? Search everywhere. Search. Right. Yes. Papa, you need it. Search everywhere.
Papa, you must find
search everywhere.
We can't lose this money.
Climb this fence and look at the other side.
Now come.
You're good, you're good. Oh, yeah. You fence. But you boys can go ahead and do whatever you want to do. Eh? I can't.
Short man. Find there. Look.
Did you see it?
It's not here.
Eh?
It's not here.
Are you sure?
Don't fall inside. You will not be able to come out. Go this way.
Yeah?
And
search under that tree. Look at that tree. Search under that tree. Very useless word. Onyema. I'm going to tell you that we can make plans to get back at that one.
Jump down. Now some come and help you.
Jump down. Look at Stone. Now some jump down.
See,
Papa. Papa, if we look for this thing, we don't see. Eh? We'll gather the village youth and beat him up. Because this boy is frustrating everybody in this village. Eh?
Anything you boys want to do, I am in support. Go ahead and do it. In fact, I'm going to tell Frank now to make another plan so that we can get back at that useless boy. Search everywhere, search everywhere.
Papa, there's nothing.
Climb up. Look at the other side.
Papa is not here.
Huh?
Onyema feels he can mess with us. I will take word to him. I will show him the city style. I will teach him how it's done. He feels he's smart. Let's go, Papa. Mike, let's go.
Papa.
I will take word to him.
Papa, I'm hungry. Yo.
2 million.
I'm hungry.
Onyema. 2 million. Hey, Onyema. Have you searched here?
Papa, I'm hungry.
Onyema, 2 million. Onyema. Papa! Onyema, 2 million. Eh? Onyema, 2 million. Hey! Oh, can't see there. Onyema, 2 million. Hey! 2 million. Hey! Onyema, 2 million. Hey! Oh.
Hey! Now, what kind of problem is this? What is even wrong with Onyema? Why is it that poor people cannot use their thinking faculty? Eh? Why can't Onyema understand situations, black and white, in here? Very plain.
Mama, Onyema's thinking faculty has gone on recess. Because I have talked and talked and talked. Yet he would not listen. It is very simple. Now collect this 500 million naira. And the rest, marry the love of your life and be happy. Okwechi, I don't know what he wants.
500 million.
Oh.
Mama, what do we do now?
Mama, I've made my decision already. Since he wants to start making choices, me, I have made my own choice. So let everybody be left with their choice.
So, what is this your choice you have made?
Mama, as you are talking to me now, Mu and Azakwa Mrs. Frank.
Also?
I am married to Frank. Oboronge also. Mama, I am going to marry that man. I will marry him. Oh. Okay, Mama. If you're asking me not to marry him, what would you have me do? No, tell me, what do I do?
The truth is that I don't even know what I want you to do. But the fact is that I don't want my daughter to suffer. That's the truth. I don't want you to suffer.
Thank you, Mama.
As much as Onyema is a good person. But Frank promised to build a new house for us.
Now you are talking. I'm glad you remember this. It's just this thing that is confusing me. Love. I don't know why my head cannot just think straight. That's the only thing that is confusing me. The man who I'm in love with now, use your sense. Collect this money or Simba. Just be king. We are not even sure about that if I'm even going to be queen. That's my problem. But Mama, on a brighter side, if you ask me, I think the best thing is to marry Frank. Mama, look at it now. Even if I don't become queen at the end of the day, or Frank doesn't become the king, I will still be a happy woman. Frank is a rich man. Simple arithmetic. Very simple.
Do you know that you are just in between the deep Red Sea and the devil? Now, becoming the queen or marrying a rich man, which one will you do?
We will look for a way around it. We have to look for a way around it. Certainly. Oh.
Mama, have you seen it? Have you seen it? I told you.
Hi! But why would Ichiago do this? Eh? So he was here to find out where you moved it to.
Which implies he must have gone to where brother kept it before. You see?
I know what I'm doing. I know what I am doing. That man has been compromised from the way he's talking to me.
No.
But I will not stop this fight. I will fight till I win this fight.
You will win. Onyema, put her here! Onyema, I said you put her here!
What is it?
Put her here! Oh! We have come to end this matter today.
Yes, sir.
So you think you can hold this community to a ransom with your stupidity, Akoya? You think you can hold us ransom? It will end today.
Yes!
Azubiko Gini. Eh? What is the problem?
Mama Onyema, if you look at all of us, you will see that you are not happy.
Yes, sir.
Why? Tell your good for nothing son to bring out to the throne of this community from wherever he kept it. Else, one of two things will happen today.
Yes.
Tell him now.
Yes. Yes.
Else, any guabawa. Nenun. Look at you. Look at your faces. Yeah? So your father thinks he can betray me.
Onyema, whatever they call you. Gente, let me tell you. If you include my father in this, Makatuku, what I will do to you, Onyema.
Hey, you have an inheritance. This is my inheritance. Don't break it. Don't spoil it.
Okay.
Go,
Michael, wait till you. Why are you doing this? Why are you treating us this way? We are family friends now.
Family friends. Mama, what did I hear you say? Family Guinea.
Friends.
Listen, guys, we are not here to do family friends or family anything or family whatever. If Onyema know what is good for him, he should go inside and bring out the throne. Yes! Force him to do so.
You force me. Yeah? Nina Luna Air Force. Come and force me. Come and carry me. No, come and carry me. See, no one will touch that throne till I'm ready to become the king of this town. You've never started. So go and tell your father that I know what he knows.
Onyema,
Tell your father.
Onyema, you can go sing city style. Do you want me to show you city style? Kicheni ge eza yebe the throne no. Can't kill you.
Onye kine show city style.
Can't kill you.
I'm a black delta. Muwag spinal cord. Muwag brain box.
That means you have made your choice.
Muwag brain box.
Yeah, we didn't make you go your choice.
Who are you?
This thing you people are doing is not fair.
I'm waiting for you today.
Mama, you are here with Chinese. Yes.
Idiot! People come now! Come! on, face me. Come on, face me. Nala. Stupid faces, trouble faces. They queen so one J woman. Come on, face me. Come here, come down to Jajakita. Well, I don't remember soup. Nala.
What do we eat this evening?
Mama, there's everything in the house. We have indomie, we have rice, there's semo, we have ingredients to make soup, granite oil, everything. Just tell me what you want to eat.
Vegetable soup.
Yeah, Mama. But why you make soup before? I don't have strength to start cutting leaves.
I will help you and cut.
Mama, you're just recovering. You don't need to cut.
Mama.
How are you?
I did fine. How you doing now?
I am fine.
I will X up now.
I'm fine. I got you. You now have a car.
Now what for you? Don't be losing now. Who don't know so I get car for this? Now oh jeez be this now. No. Get car now. Just hold on. What is that for you?
You bought me clothes.
Before. Now for you now. Before.
Hey.
No, just give me seats. Don't just hang my leg for this floor. Now. Don't make sense.
Come and sit down.
Okay,
Sit down. Oh, welcome. No.
It a fall.
My car.
I don't say no because this house is the day always.
No, Mama.
I will go sit down. We can be come here with this. My young, you carry me come here so.
I should petition who? For what? For who? For whose sake? Who? Onyema? Who is Onyema? No, tell me, who is Onyema that I will petition him? I said, let me lock this boy up. Throw away the keys. In a dungeon. Throw him away. You said no. You all said I should give him 1 month. 1 month. Now see what has happened. Just look at what has happened. What is going on?
Chief, we are all exhausted too. I think you have to make a move and marry his girlfriend, Awele. Or what the next option?
Yes,
the next option.
They done. Our people say in our language, Kabia mera way forward. Let us go now and marry her. Then we get ready. Once 1 month is here, we use force against him to bring her the throne. And then we crown you, the king.
I think they are right. Let's plan this weekend to marry that girl off. Let him do what he will do, and we will show him.
Oh. So I'm going to lose the 2 million naira you promised.
Of course you will lose the 2 million naira because you're not smart. You're not smart. We are not smart. We have allowed a little boy to outsmart us. Are we smart? Are we men? Are we using this? Are we using this? How can Onyema outsmart us? Listen, we must find another way to get in this crown. You understand me? We must find another way to get in this throne. Another way. Because I'm tired. I'm fed up. outsmart us. That makes us what? Beneath him or above him? Chiefs, I call you little cats. Do something.
You're not serious about this, are you?
I be like a joke. I be like a joke. Fran tell me say he love you. He say he love you die. If you dey sleep, then you dey see for dream. No people sleep. Who that shall sleep when never even get you? Say he too love you. See me now. No, don't look me. If no be say I just quickly come more body. Say nah, this no. I not be win this race, so I forget this car. Come me plenty money on top. What for you? Serious. God. I not be win this race, so now Frank give me this car. Come join her with 1 million. 1 million.
1 million naira.
I will wake up, wake up. Hey, wake up. I tell you. Imagine what he will not do for you if you agree to marry her. You go buy a bigger car now. What be this thing? You go buy a bigger car. The guy they die for your matter. It a craze where you dey. I tell you. See, I will make you just grab your destiny by force. Since we don't try reason my brother now, based on say being gay, don't try reason and one or two say, God, you know one here. Act. I don't look you. I don't say you sharp, be correct, babe.
Exactly.
Guess as you fair soon, so your brain take fair. Everything just white. So you guys act fast, reason. And they tell you, if my brother not waiting, the elders and Frank the plan where he dey. If you don't take time now, straight to prison. Prison. And they tell you, coaching. And they tell you, I don't tell my mama say, you know if you fight who big pass you. Come on, body. Now, wow. This guy big pass, like get money. Come on, body. No one here. As they talk to now, you don't buy everybody for this village. You don't buy everybody. Only my family now remain.
Are you serious?
And they tell you, mama, you don't buy everybody.
Hey! What kind of thing is this now? You man should just take a decision before it's too late, oh.
I'm telling you. Mama, ma just blow your mind. Ma blow your mind small.
Hey.
Frank talk say he go sue my brother. He go swan. I say. I dey tell you. Say he go swan for hijacking the throne. He say he go write petition to traditional rulers in council of the state. You know what he be? Wetin gun my brother, nothing gun am for pocket, he empty. He no fit get this strong guy, forget. You no fit. Wetin you owe? You fit fight Frank. You no fit. I'm based on saying my fellow gear now. Forget how they do like this. Those are still the gear here and I still gear pattern, you understand? I still gear that. But I don't come using you. Borrow sense. Maybe we're not clear for your head. Think. When Frank bought you this car before, I didn't like you. Think. Open your eyes, shine and well. Because Frank dog say, if you don't agree, if you change your mind, I tell you.
No, you never reach to change mind. Oh, wait. I will. Come. We need to see. Two aside.
Carry on, go align. Go align.
We are coming back. Okay,
here.
Let them two aside.
You don't follow. Wow. Today, inside this game, such a young guy say, "Get what them."
Hi, Mama. If you no make me galon, hey me gezubalo. Atrocity. They beat their future king. They beat their future king, Mama. I will lock them all. I must make sure I lock them all.
Oh, yeah. I think the best thing to do now is to look for money and do what is important. To do the needful. By the time you become the future king, I permit you to deal with all of them mercilessly. No mercy.
Mama.
Hey.
Yes, brother. What Mama is saying is correct. But if you know we are not going to make it, let's collect the money now.
If I hear your voice again, I'll just give you a dirty slap. Are you mad? You want to start your own, eh? You want to start? Nyala.
Hey, Bia, go to. Ebeki Jabo, Jabo, to where? Did you see us? Ikene guy.
Makaye name.
Ikene gum.
Makaye name. What's in the soap? If I greet you problem, and I'll greet you wala.
Hi.
Only you thought I want this on meal. What's it now?
So if you see us dead here, you won't even mind.
Who they breathe? When they come here, because you get people supposed to breathe again.
If put up for 9 by my is on your bagafe.
They don't want them wise. They could lock their breath. See, Mama, I still did this family based on say I still be the daughter of my papa. If not, who they? After that move, after that shift, so I did my lane. Maybe what just did their lane. I don't want verse. Let's see.
Mama, Rapunyan, leave this stupid girl. Yeah? But what I will not take is when I will become the king in the future. Some mad people will come and start begging me for forgiveness. I will not take it though. Man will queer because I'm a lawyer. Okay, I yo. She'll come and beg me.
Frank the door. Oh no. Frank the door.
Oh no.
As an info, you just go abula fia de leke.
Oh, man, no, it's your
Not for me. Oh yeah, ballet.
Oh yeah, man. Ndi bani kwenu? Ndi bani zonu?
So, what do I sign?
You sign here, but before you sign this, I think you read it very well. You have to read it very well because my bank wouldn't like to entertain any mistakes.
Okay.
So you need to read it.
Mama, what am I reading now? This thing is too plenty now for me to start reading. I just need the money urgently.
Mama,
sign. You just sign here.
Hey, brother! Abomination! You have to go and stop this now. Awele is about to get married to Frank the Don. Even your sister Ugo, she's sitting there spreading her legs and jubilating with them.
Why must Awele do this?
Brother, this is not the time for this. Go and stop them. Run, brother! Brother, run! Hey! Brother, run!
When he comes back, he will sign. Oh, please be patient. Akuchi, come and collect this paper and keep it inside.
Okay, Mama. Mama, you don't understand, Oga. Run up, Mama! Hey! Oga, bye-bye.
We all know why you are here.
Of course.
You are welcome. None.
You
are welcome again.
we have accepted the birthright of our daughter. Egushia and Aligoya. And we say welcome and welcome again.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Mother.
We know the reason why you people are here. You are here because of my beautiful daughter. Our daughter, where? Without wasting time.
Thank you. Thank you.
I will call on my daughter.
Yes.
To come and show us the handsome husband. Let me call on my beautiful wife. Why your mom? Okay. Call my daughter and bring her to come and show us the done. My beautiful daughter, you will take this palm wine and go and show us who is your husband.
I'm seeing or your ghost? Brother, why are you not talking to me now?
It's me you're seeing, It's me you're seeing, not my ghost. It's me you're seeing, Where is Papa? Where is Mama? I call them now because there is trouble,
Chimo, what happened? What happened?
Can you imagine my Oga? Set me away. Eh? For what? Because of small things I did. He sent me away. I should just go like that.
Hey, just like that.
Just like that.
Hey, hey.
I will not take you to. Where is Papa?
Papa is not around, but Mama is inside. Let me call her.
Call them, because I will start destroying things, so. I will start destroying things, so. I will start destroying things, so. But my people should come, oh. Hey, you see that, my Oga? You think I've escaped? You think I've escaped? It's alright. Hey, you see how I'll be here and throwing stone at him. What David did to Goliath, that's what I will do to you. You will see. Let me see how I will not enjoy you. Nonsense. Where are they? My people should come, oh. I will start destroying things, oh. I will destroy things, oh. I will destroy my life, oh. Where are you people? I will destroy my life, oh.
The door. The door.
What is this? Are you so... Calm down! What's the problem? Calm down! Are you mad? Are you sick? Leave me! You think it's something to do, madam? Where's my phone? Where's my phone? Leave it out. Come and touch her. Sit down. Sit down there. I said sit down. Come and touch her. No, come and touch her.
Calm down, please. Front the door, calm down.
Come and touch her.
You will call me Mustafa. Lieutenant Colonel Mustafa, this boy must rot in an army dungeon. Yes. You understand me? You must rot in an army dungeon.
Wait, how can he send you out? Send you away just like that?
Mama, can you imagine?
I never finished. Eh? Hey. But you see? You see what I have been telling you all this while, but you wouldn't listen. Look at it.
Mama, I will not take it too. Can you imagine? He gave me 150,000 naira and told me that it's my settlement. That I should just go.
Won't you or what? He cannot try it. He will not do it.
Oh, he even gave you 150,000. And you are here making noise. Please, let me tell you something. The man tried.
Mama? He tried. Mama, why would you say that now? Try that how? How did it?
Come on, will you shut up your mouth? What do you know? Huh? What is wrong with you? When he was eating his this morning, didn't he know? You never know fit of son can say.
Mama, I'm not surprised.
Why will you be surprised?
I'm not surprised at all. I know you support him. I know you support my Oga.
Why won't I support him?
You always support him. But don't worry, he should go away from you. He should go away from me. He has not gone free. I will visit him. I will visit him.
There is nothing you can do to him. Okay. He's a big man. You can't do anything to him if you don't know.
Brother, don't stress yourself. Just wait, let Papa come now. You see that your Oga, he will see war.
He will see war.
Don't stress yourself.
Mama, Mama.
So you people want to kill my husband for me, right?
Which your husband?
You people want to kill my husband.
My Oga. We are talking about my Oga. Mama, you will see. I will tell you. I will show him what David did to Goliath. The only thing it will cost me is catapult and okute. I will deal with him. He tell me what can a poor man do to a rich man. He will see.
If others are talking about gun, you are here talking about ordinary catapult.
I will go to that city. You see that his house? As I'm talking to you now, that his house is in flames. So I'm going to burn it.
Yes.
He must give me 15 million. Else, that will be war.
What can you do? You can't do anything.
I will burn it down.
You can't do anything.
Where did your papa come? Mama, you follow also. What is?
Look at yourself.
What is 150,000?
Are you buying crayfish? One more.
If you talk again, I will show you the stuff I made.
Mama, what is it now?
Mama, leave it alone.
I don't know.
What is 150,000? See, Mama, do you know how much I bought this cap in the city? Do you know how much I bought this cap in the city? My wristwatch. Do you know the slippers I'm wearing? How much? What is 150,000 naira? Eh? Can you use it to give somebody that you love? What is 150,000? Overnight, I think it is.
Look at what you're saying. Look at what you are saying rubbish.
He should prepare by 15 million. Else there'll be war. I can't wait for Papa to come back. Papa, I know you support.
I trust Papa now.
Mama, call my Oga on phone if you know him. Call him on phone now.
So you want to kill my husband, eh?
I'm talking about my Oga.
You are talking about.
We are going there. Mama, you must follow me. You must follow me. Mama, I will not take it. You must give me money.
Just look at you, people. Obiageli, what do you call yourself? Just look at you. You have changed your name from Obiageli to Nketa Frank. You are now a cookie Frank. That is what you are. Because he will eat food and give you plate to lick. Elacha kawanketa okobucha. Obiageli, I am ashamed of you. Obiageli buto. Mwanyoronko.
Odibeze, do you know that you are shameless?
I'm ashamed of you.
You are as shameless as your son.
You say you give up. You give up. You shameless.
Shameless family. My daughter did not even enter the family. Because one day she will go naked and enter the street. What your son did today, is it right?
You have not seen anything.
Is it by force to marry?
Is it by force?
Is it by force?
It's by force. Just look at you.
Mama Onyema, what your son did today was not fair at all. It was not fair. Let's call a spade a spade. Eh? Yes.
Okarabogo, I'm sorry I don't have time for you. Half lady, I don't have time for you. When I have your time, I will invite you. Enugo, and you are nothing but a bunch of shame. Bundle of shame, that is what you are. You had a naked wedding, that is why my son just demonstrated it for you. That's all. He demonstrated the nakedness of your wedding for you, that's all. That's what he did. Naked wedding. Nonsense.
Mama Onyema, with what your son have done today, whatever I see, let him take. That will require.
Nah, God bless you.
Tell her.
Tell her.
Nafa, I am not blaming you for what you have just said. Because your brain is no more in a normal state. Yes. Uborogi meneng water. Yes, Uborogi water and water. So I'm not blaming you. Where were you when my son was spending his money on this Nketa Frank and her daughter? Now tell me where you were. Because you saw a money misroad. If you rock Bokorakati and you think that there's something inside.
What? 1,000 and 2,009. If I calculate all the money, it's not more than 5,000.
Without content.
I will do here and now. Yes. What you spend is not more than 5,000.
God will judge you. God will judge you. Sing him up to leave. I'm not getting it's not judging anybody. Your son does not have money. Mama, come back.
Are you jealous? My daughter will not marry your son.
And your son does not have money.
Is it my first to marry?
No.
He said my brain is not working.
Don't mind her.
her, don't mind her. Forgive her. Don't mind her. She has no brain.
You will hear the scores. You will hear the scores. You will hear the scores of what will happen to him.
Do anything you want to him. Anything at all. I want him. He was I didn't want him. This is wrong now. You don't try.
Listen, guys, we still need to calm down. Yes, what Onyema did today was totally wrong, but we still need to calm down, please.
Onyema. You will hear the scores. I'm telling you. Onyema tries my event. It's okay. Honey, please, let's go upstairs to the bedroom. I need you there now, please. Let's go to the bedroom. Please.
I got just calm down, okay?
Yes.
Calm me down now.
Let me go upstairs. I'll be calm when I'm down.
What's in the work, my brother now? What's in the work, calm? You don't leave you. Free him. You don't just make sense. No try. Fana.
Can you imagine? Let me get her in this house again. She will see my color.
Yes,
nonsense.
Brother. Yes.
I want to see her in this house again.
I support you, brother. Enough is enough. What rubbish! Why would she betray her own family like this? Enough is enough.
Again.
Mama, brother is throwing Ugochi's things out.
Good. Let him throw everything he has here out. Who would do that?
Mama, are you telling me?
Ugochi is nothing but Judas. She's nothing but betrayer.
Hey!
She's nothing but Judas.
Mama, I know she is stubborn, but I could not believe she would betray her own family like this. Her blood brother.
The betrayer, Bagotere. What is she doing in my house?
Where is the other big bag?
I don't know, brother. Maybe she has sold it.
Stupid girl.
Let her go.
Ma, I do not want to see that girl in this house again.
I am with you. I am with you. I am with you. Why would she support others to do this thing to us?
Not even another person, no, Mama. Not even her cousin. Not even her friend, her own blood brother. She betrayed him and sat down there jubilating with the enemy.
Awele did this to me. Awele did this to me. Why, Mama? Why?
It's okay. Awele should not be your concern now. Let us concentrate on how to get money and kick off with our plans. As for Awele, she can go to hell with Frank and remain there forever. How are you not going?
Brother, sorry. Don't worry, brother. She will regret it.
What? Calm down now. What's all this? No, why are you ranting? Why are you ranting? For what? Listen, if you want to be civil, you come down and ask questions. Know why I did what I did. No, not you ranting. Listen, I'm not happy. I'm not happy at all.
Okay. Just take it easy. Calm down, okay? Everything is under control.
I said I'm not happy. I'm not happy at all. I mean, come on, be civil now. Ask questions first. What? Hello? She's off the phone. You see? You too. Why did you take our pictures and post on your WhatsApp status? Why? Why did you do that?
Don't worry, we'll explain that to her.
Explain what to what? Explain what? Now Stella is ranting. She's mad.
Are you afraid? Guy, you have made so much money that you don't need to be afraid of anything or anyone on earth. By the way, what we should do? You and I know the reason you got married to this girl is just to have the throne and push her away.
Hey, quiet now. What's this? She might hear you.
I don't think she's upstairs with the lady.
Hey, keep quiet.
Guy, there's no need for all this thing. Just call the police people. Let's know if they are coming. Because that guy must be taught a serious lesson.
You didn't try at all. You did not try. Why would you do that? Why would you post that? For what?
Just
were your fingers itching you?
Don't worry, we'll handle it.
handle it.
Don't be afraid, okay? I'm with you. I'm with you. Truth be told, I'm scared. I am scared. Ogochi, you have to let me know what his plans are. You know you talked me into this.
I know. Now me tell you, say me no fear, full ground and day with you. See, Onyema no fit do anything. Last, even if he shits, na purging shits, the shit don't go strong. Even if he do anything, forget that one. You know, fit. I hear like you just fall sick based on say he too love you, understand? But no, if you do anything, don't worry. Good. The main thing is say you did for the right hand. And the right hand. So just go.
You know say you be correct, Kesha.
How for you?
You know say you be correct,
Kesha. Small.
This your head where you carry, not be for nothing. Thank you, my girl. Thank you so much. I definitely will pay you back.
So don't worry. Don't worry, yeah? No, don't be anything. Don't be anything.
But you know say you poor.
I know, man.
Might borrow your language. You poor.
No, borrow. Fear. I think I know fits you now. Just clean. You don't too clean. No fits, no trial. Okay, man. I bet. Fear for us now.
Kochi, don't worry.
See, very soon you'll become queen. They come crown you. Your head will just swell up and put crown on top. You don't visualize how it will be. It will too make sense. They come buy a car, joy, put on top.
Ugochi this year. Ugochi this year. Ugochi this year.
Don't be silent, see. I don't tell you what will happen. If it will happen tomorrow, say. Don't say your guy correct.
What? But what's the meaning of this one now?
Don't mind him. Don't mind my guy. He's going to settle me. All this thing he's talking is nonsense. He's going to settle me. So don't fear. Don't fear. He will settle me.
But what did he even say you did to him? What's the matter now? Because he's meant to settle you this December.
Can you imagine? He said I stole his money.
Hey.
Do I look like someone that steals somebody's money? All this while I've been coming to this village, have I been spending much? Eh? Is it not the money that I managed to hustle that I spend? God. Small money. Eh?
What kind of?
He will spend. Don't worry. He said that his business is going down. That he no longer wants to do the business. That he wants to close it entirely. Can you imagine? Hey. I told him, close your own, leave my own. Your own business is going down. My own is not going down. Settle me. I have to do my own business because I have my girlfriend to marry. So he must settle me. So don't worry.
You people should better give him war. You people should give him war. You understand now? Because you said we are getting married. He needs to pay that money. Men are coming for my hand in marriage.
It's a lie. Who is that? Hey, I'll kill somebody. They should not even try it. For what? No man should try come near. As you are now, your name is Animals, don't come close. Animals, don't come near. No man should even smell close to you because I will kill somebody. What is this now? You see what my guy is causing now?
What kind of temptation is this one now?
See, don't worry. My father and I will go to the city tomorrow to see him. He must settle me. If he doesn't settle me, you see that's the house, I'll break it down. I'll give him war. Only me alone will give him war. Talk more when you know my father.
I know what.
When my father join hand,
wow.
My father will show him that he's a no-no. He will see. Can you imagine?
I know what you people can do.
Huh?
That was why I said you people should give him war.
You see,
that man needs pressure.
Leave him, I will give him pressure. Only me alone is pressure. My second name is pressure. By the time I get to the city tomorrow, in fact, I even told my father that he's not going to give me 5 million. Because I said, if he give me that 5 million, I'll cut into 2. Give you like 2 million. Buy you a car. But my father was even begging me to collect the 5 million. I said, no, I'm not going to collect the 5 million. He's going to make it 15 million.
Yes.
So that I can give my girlfriend something and buy you a car. If I get there tomorrow and he refuses to bring my money, you see those cars, I'll pack like 5. Give you 2.
That's why I love
because you are my girlfriend. I cannot be driving car. My girlfriend will trekking with leg.
You are blowing my mind. That's what I'm talking about. That's the spirit.
Any man that comes, kick him away. Once any man come, kick him in the buttocks. Tell him go away.
For you. I'll do that for you.
Look at my beautiful angel. Somebody will just come because my God did not say to me. Somebody will come and marry. I'll burn that person and kill my. Once I kill my Oga, from there go to that person's house and kill the person. Don't worry. Let's go somewhere. I still have some chicken change. Let me go and use it to spoil it more. Yeah? You see you? How am I going? What I'm planning now is once we go there tomorrow, I'm coming back to big money. If my Oga don't give me big money, my father and I will not leave the house. I will burn down his house. I will go there and carry like 5 cars and sell it. Or that shit one. Use it and marry you. Can you imagine? How can I lose you? For what? Never! I will not lose you.
Mama, you support this Nakoya?
Yes, I support it. Ugochi, I support it. You have done enough. Get out of this place. Let me tell you, from today you cease to be my daughter. Since you have the mind to do this to your brother, you will surely live to regret it. Iga no daya kwaya. Iga no daya.
Yes.
Iga regret ya kwange.
Shame on you. Shame on you, Ugochi. No worry. Hi, I no go beg una. I go beg una. I no go beg una. I go move. I go mama. I'll go.
The more you talk nonsense here, I am going to beat the hell out of you if you do not take this rubbish and get out of this house now.
Onyema. Brother.
Take this like out of this house.
If I reason you, I go scatter you. May destroy again.
Mama, I will tell this girl.
Brother, just leave.
I will tell this girl.
What do you think
I will tell this girl into two.
What do you think do?
Just get out of this place.
I go back on her for waiting. This one a house. Not be house with this now. Guy, I don't make money. I don't make money. I get money, nothing. To stay for this nonsense house. Who not be? Guy, if you try me, if I reason you, I say I go match you. I go match you.
Voila.
Oh no, Baka.
Oh yeah, leave.
What if you do? Now you be. What if I be the dog? Brother, please.
What's now doing now? Leave me now. Leave me. What's it now? I'm not doing anything. What's going to do? Move! I'm not going anywhere. Move! What is it? I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. What is it now?
He did not do anything, no. Oh, guy, my son did not do anything, no. And what we from one minute? And what have we from minute?
Move him, go in.
Move him. And what we from one minute? And what have we from one minute?
Will you get your popper infested hands out of my leg? Quick!
So please.
I can't want the quarter. I can't want the other.
I told you you're moving at snail speed. Now see how Flash moves. Now for your information, okay? For your information, I will ascend that throne. And after I ascend that throne, he will be in jail for 2 years while I'm on that throne.
Are you stupid? I can't want the quarter. I can't want the quarter. Leave my son alone. Leave my son alone. I can't want the quarter. Hey,
Never! He cannot do this to my son, with whom I am well pleased. Mrabia, if he does anything wrong, I'll kill him.
Why will you kill him? Wagodum, he has settled your son Uzoma here. He has settled him. Yeah. So why do you want to kill him?
Once again. That he did what? Him.
Yes.
Mama, see, Mama, stay away from this case. Stay away from this case. I'm angry already. Stay away from this case.
Oh yes, Obioma, stay away from this case. I don't know why you're always siding that man. I am suspecting both of you. Don't make me to start suspecting. In fact, I am suspecting both of you.
I wonder. And what are you wondering? Anofia. Onoba. See, let me tell you something. I have to say what I know. Yes. When that man came here for agreements, He's told us that he is going to give our son here money for him to start up a business. So that after everything, after he finished up with him, that they will share that money into 3. Whatever comes out of the business, so into 3. Then the Oga will take 2. Him himself, he will take 1. So why are you killing the man?
What happens after that? Eh? Then he now pushed him away because he's taking 2 and my son is taking 1. Komuziano with 1. One with God is the majority up here.
Maybe the man has gone through his checkbook and noticed that what he gave to him is what he deserves.
Never! Never, Mama, it's a lie. It's a lie. What are you saying? So you're trying to tell me that what I made for my Oga after all those years was just 450,000. Then he will take 300. I will take 150. Never!
For what?
Mama, I made big money for him. I made big money. So he's supposed to give me at least up to 50 million. Yes!
Yes! Wait. Kanji. What about the money that you have been saving all this while? Where are they? See, let me tell you, this is the time for you to bring them out. Go and bring them out! And stop making noise.
Oza, leave this woman. Your mother is talking rubbish. Oza, prepare yourself. Tomorrow we are storming that city. Eh? If I make that man alive, he should thank his gods. Because my rage will kill him before I get there. Bam! Eh? Prepare! I will not sleep tonight until dawn. Are you hearing me?
Exactly.
I am a good man.
Exactly.
And if I pieces him, I will sample him for everybody to see why it is very, very, very bad to be wicked. My rage will kill him before I get there. Is it what? I have
Mama, see, let me tell you, Papa.
I have been suspecting.
Thank God that I know my father know me. Good. I know my sister know me. Good. But I don't know my mother don't know me.
I don't know her too. You have to, in fact, explain to us what you do in the secret.
Yes, explain.
Explain to
yes.
Explain to
Mama,
us.
you must explain.
With that man. Don't provoke me now.
Mama, start
Don't provoke me.
Mama, start
telling us.
Start telling us. Mama, start telling us.
Explain what is
Mama,
explain what is going on.
Start telling us.
Explain what is going on.
So, Frank, you think you were smart, right?
Oh, now calm down. Calm down. I can explain. Calm down.
You can explain what? You can explain what? What are you explaining?
Now you're raising your voice.
I'm raising my voice.
Now you're raising your voice. Calm
really?
down.
Oh, listen, Frank. You think you can use and dump me like this and go scot-free?
You're raising your voice. Calm down.
I'm raising my voice. Shut up!
What's wrong with you? What is this?
What is wrong with me?
What's this? Look, let me tell you. Listen, whatever I did, I just did just because there was something at stake. Okay, I need to get somewhere. That's it. So calm down. Let me get to the end of this journey, then we'll discuss.
You are very stupid. Frank, you are mad for thinking I am stupid. Shut up! Let me finish.
Where's your voice?
Oh, now I see. No wonder I came to say the other time and then you shouted me out. No wonder.
Calm down now. Calm down. This is not you. This.
What is going on here?
Babe. Elena, you see, it's nothing really. It's just a mutual misunderstanding from business to slightly personal matters. So you can go to the room. I'll sort this out, please.
Frank, you are pathetic. You disgust me. Oh, so it's you. You, really? Oh, it's you my man left me in the city for to come marry. You.
What's all this?
Excuse me the hell out of you.
You was excused, my darling.
It's okay. What is this?
No, I need to know.
No, darling, let me handle this, please. What is wrong with you? What's the meaning of this? I mean, can't you see? Can't you see? I mean, can't you see these people are together? What is wrong with you? How can you come to my house and be ranting? What is this? What gave you that moral justification to come here and be ranting? What? For what reason? Don't I have a right over my own life? What is this? I mean, can't you see a woman is here? You know what? I'll be forced right now to tell you, leave my house. Please. Please. Beyond anything, leave my house.
Frank, you now have a life.
I said leave my house, please.
You can now shout.
Yes, leave my house.
Your house.
she's someone who I usually.
Wait a minute.
Yes.
Are you stuttering?
Well, I had something with her over like 5 years ago. I mean, she's on drugs. You know, she's on drugs, and right now she just got out of rehab. Not long ago, got into business. You know, she's all messed up. She's all mixed up. You know, honey, please. I mean, how did that guy get her into this house? How? I have to sack him. Just pay her no mind, please. She's been through a lot. You know, drugs, rehab, jail. She's, even her business is in shambles right now. Okay, so I understand her emotional torture, but however, let's forget about her, please. So Ugochi, she's still at yours.
Oh, yeah, she is. She said her people sent her away.
Okay.
She wants to come talk to you later. Please. I need you to get Onyema out. Just bail him, please.
No. Onyema, out. No! Onyema must, I say it again, Onyema must be in that police net until after the coronation. Yes, after the coronation, then maybe 3 months after, I will consider taking him to court, and then from there he will go to jail. That's the only way he'll get out of there.
3 months?
Yes, Onyema will go to jail.
Honey, we're having a discussion.
What discussion? What does he feel like? What? Because he's been there before me? He now feels he's higher than me? Huh? That's more reason I hate him. He's been here before me. He must go to jail.